Hello and welcome to UTS Library's tutorial on referencing a chapter in an edited book using the AGLC4 style. In this video we will show you how to reference a chapter in an edited book as a footnote where each chapter in the book has its own separate authors and title. To begin referencing you need the author or authors of the chapter, the title of the chapter, the editor or editors of the book, the title of the book, the publication details, the starting page of the chapter, and a pinpoint if needed. After you gather this information, it's time to reference. Start with the chapter's author or authors' names in their natural order, that is, first name, then surname. If the book was written by 2 or 3 authors, place commas between each name until you reach the final name. Then, use the word "and" to separate the last 2 authors. Make sure you keep the chapter's author or authors' names in the same order as they appear in the source. If you have more than 3 authors, only the name of the first author appearing on the source should be included, followed by et al. Next, write the title of the chapter in single quotation marks. Then, write the word "in" and put the editors' names in their natural order, followed by ed for one editor or eds for multiple editors. After the editors, write the title of the book in italics. Remember to capitalize all the words in your chapter title and book title except for articles such as the, a, or an, conjunctions such as and or but, and prepositions such as on, with, before, within, or in. Next, in brackets include the book's publisher, edition number, if present, followed by ed, and the year the book was published. Make sure the ordinal part of the edition number is in superscript, for example the ND of second. After the publication details, you must include the starting page of the chapter. Lastly, if you are pinpointing a page in the chapter, insert a comma, then the pinpoint, followed by a full stop. Remember that references and footnotes always end with a full stop, while references in your bibliography never do. In this video we covered how to reference a chapter in an edited book as a footnote. For more information on the AGLC4 style, visit our referencing pages on the library website.